Story Owinoke.
Now, even as police sought more time to continue holding Duncan Khamala, a 27-year-old prime suspect in the murder of a Rwandese athlete in Iten, Elgeyo-Marakwet, fresh details have emerged about the relationship the deceased had with Khamala's alleged girlfriend. Rubayitsa Siragi, 34, was a long-distance athlete training at the Sikh training camp in Iten. Now, he's said to have been training in the country since 2017. Elvis Koskei with the story.
On Monday, Rubayitsa Siragi's kinsmen, who also hail from Rwanda and have been training with the deceased, say that their friend was in a relationship with 28-year-old Nelvin Mujaro Ajuma, a KMTC student, and that the deceased and his alleged killer had got into a fight.
Atampa kama siku zingine tulikuwa tunawawacha hapa juu tulikuwa tumeamini yeye. Tulikuwa tunafikiria wataoana.
Tukaona mwili yake, tukaona aligongeshwa kama damu katoka kwa masikio, right na left.
On the fateful day in which Siragi is reported to have been beaten and left lying on the roadside, his roommate Noeli Tamana said that Siragi had finished packing his stuff as he was set to leave the country the following morning.
Unless wakuwe wametuficha. Lakini kitu yenye mimi najua hawakuachana. Kama wangewaachana hapa sisi tungejua.
According to the police, Ajuma and Siragi were ex-lovers, and although Ajuma was now pursuing a new relationship with the prime suspect, Duncan Khamala.
So from that time, huyu ambaye ndiye alipiga yeye akaanza mahusiano na msichana. So inajulikana ya kwamba yeye amekuwa rafiki sasa kama boyfriend kwa hiyo msichana kwa hiyo muda tangu December kuja amekuwa hapo, lakini ni kama walikuwa wameanza kurudiana. Hii msichana walikuwa wameanza kurudiana na huyu Mrwanda.
Kamala ni mtu kijana mzuri sana, mpole, na sijasikia maneno kumuhusu. Ni mtu wa heshima. Tulikuwa tukikutana naye ananiita coach, nisaidie hivi, nifanye nini. Ni mtu ambaye hata mimi sijaamini kuwa alifanya hili jambo ambalo tunaambiwa alifanya.
This is not the first time an athlete is murdered mysteriously in Iten, in the county of Elgeyo-Marakwet. On October 13, 2021, the world of athletics mourned following the mysterious murder of then upcoming athlete Agnes Tirop at her Iten home. Tirop was a star in the 5,000 meters women race, was found dead with stabbing wounds in what shocked the athletics fraternity. 6 months later, Kenyan-born Bahrain athlete Damaris Muthe was found dead in a house in Iten, in the county of Elgeyo-Marakwet, under similar circumstances. Ironically, Siragi met his death a few meters from the scene where Muthe's body was found. Even as Dan Khamala, the suspect behind the killing of the Rwandese athlete Rubayitsa Siragi, remains in police custody, family here in Iten are now demanding for justice. Elvis Koskei, KTN News, Iten.
Now, chaos erupted during the launch of the county assembly's